Welcome to Cab Rehab. What you're looking at here is a before picture of our John Deere 8430. The cab may have appeared clean, but it wasn't. It was quite dirty, the upholstery was ruined, and the seat suspension was shot. When we purchased the tractor, we cleaned out the cab with a vacuum cleaner, warm water, soap and water, Armor All wipes, and just about anything we could throw at it. It never really cleaned up all that well. So this winter I decided to make it my winter project. After tearing some of this interior part of this tractor, you could see why it didn't clean up, is because it was absolutely disgusting. Trash and corrosion and everything else underneath the seat, under the floor, around the air conditioning ducts, including what you're seeing here is wore out seat suspension parts with more dirt. The only way to do this project right was to tear it completely down to a bare skeleton inside and start back over. So that's precisely what I did. You can see there I had the entire interior completely ripped apart, down to the bare steel floor. Even tore out the air conditioning system in it to clean all those parts, power washed them all apart, and now you're going to start seeing the return of the cab here, where I started putting things back together, started putting parts back in, including taking all the windows and doors off, putting all new seals on everything. 100% new upholstery, new seat cushions. We would change it over to the leather seat option cushions, which is a heated leather seat. The factory wiring harness is in the tractor. I rebuilt the seat suspension that was in there because John Deere wanted close to $7,000 for a seat. We were able to actually just buy all the parts for it and rebuild it piece by piece for about $800. I also added a field office to the tractor. Originally it was a buddy seat, so that buddy seat is for sale if anybody's interested. There's the original floor mat after some special cleaner, some very good return to black cleaner. And by this point in the photos, you're starting to see it return to its original state, which actually looks like a tractor interior. I didn't just want the tractor to be freshened up inside, I wanted it to be like new. So I did it and did it right, piece by piece, every single piece put back to original condition. And not just original condition, better than original condition, because we are running a 4640 universal display in this tractor. I wanted the tractor to operate like a new 8R series, which the display mounts on the end of the armrest. I also wanted to have a refrigerator, which you might be able to notice there down by the left side of the seat. We went to displaybracket.com and bought a cell phone holder, which if you look on the right side of the screen, right side of the cab I mean, you'll see that. And a custom mount for the planter control box. So the cab's not only same as new, it's actually improved, or better than it ever was new, because now it has a universal display that swivels 100% with the seat, raises and lowers with the armrest, comes out identical to a new 8R series. And yes, the 30 series was the original first series that would actually communicate with a 4640 display, which more information will be coming up about that in a future video, as well as more information about this tractor rehab project. This was just some photos I had saved on my phone as I cleaned and refreshed and redid the cab. So stay tuned for a whole series of videos on this, as well as many more things coming, including some really awesome new videos that will be coming out on this channel. Thanks for watching, and if you like seeing this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button.